हाँ जी।
To become president is not easy job. ये तभी पता चलता है जब आप जॉब पे होते हैं.
No, but tell me one thing, Colonel Sahab, don't you enjoy when you are
Yes, I am
president?
enjoying, no doubt about it.
Yes, yes, of course.
No doubt about it.
इस बार एक ही प्रॉब्लम हो गया कि वी आर नॉट मीटिंग फिजिकली, वर्चुअल हो रहा है अपना. नहीं तो आप
I would say
बोलते ही नहीं थे. अगर अपन मीटिंग में मिलते थे ना रेगुलर, आप ये शब्द बोलते ही नहीं थे.
I would rather say that Colonel is most competent to enjoy.
Yes.
When you have no option but to
enjoy.
बात ही नहीं सर.
नहीं,
जब प्रेसिडेंट बन गए तो ऑप्शन खत्म हो गया ना.
वही तो मैंने कहा ना, when you have no option but to, बस आगे आप समझ लीजिए.
संदीप भाई लगा
उमेश भाई, आपके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नो डाउट अबाउट इट. बट एक चीज पक्का है, अभी 4 महीने ही बीते, 4 महीने बीतने वाले हैं. ये सच्चाई है कि यू कैन नॉट सी, नो डाउट यू कैन. गणेश जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Ganesh.
Good morning, sir.
We are seeing a fully dedicated president for the cause of Riverside.
Thank you very much. I am doing my best and I am enjoying also. But what I was referring कि ultimately आप you cannot see relax as a president. आपको बहुत सारी चीजें बड़ी माइन्यूटली पकड़नी पड़ती है.
संदीप जी, गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, everybody.
गुड मॉर्निंग संदीप भाई.
मैं बोला संदीप आने से पहले मैंने जोक बोल दी.
ये प्रकाश धोखा जैसा कौन दिया?
प्रकाश धोखा जैसा नहीं है, प्रकाश ही है.
धोखा ही है.
I don't believe this.
सर नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
उसको वही सुनने का था तेरे मुंह से.
क्या सर?
प्रकाश जब तक नमस्ते नहीं बोला, संदीप बोलने वाला था कुछ ना कुछ, तो प्रकाश ने नमस्ते बोल दिया. संदीप खत्म अभी.
अरे संदीप को बोला पाए लागू.
प्रकाश भाई, कभी कभी तुच्छ लोगों को भी दर्शन दे दिया.
मैंने वो संदीप पाए लागू खींच लेने का, पाए खींच लेने का होता है.
आपने समझ लिया बिल्कुल.
ऑलरेडी 2 मिनट रह गया अभी.
Yes.
सेक्रेटरी नहीं आई. आपके
सेक्रेटरी नहीं आएगी.
सेक्रेटरी नहीं आएगी. उसकी फैमिली में थोड़ा सा संग्राम की चाची की डेथ हो गई है. So she is busy. Yesterday only it happened. So that's why now secretary का रोल भी आज मुझे ही करना है.
राकेश जी, व्हाट इज फॉर नाश्ता? कुछ खा रहे हैं आप?
सर ब्रेड टोस्ट खा रहा हूँ, आ जाइए.
अच्छा. संदीप भी खा रहा है. क्या खा रहा है?
राकेश जी ने जो बोला मैं भी वही.
क्या बात है.
See, you should always raise a toast.
Yes.
Before any good thing.
Yes. Except Saturday.
That's a good one, Rakesh ji. I haven't heard that.
2 मिनट बाद मैं शुरू करूंगा. इट्स ऑलरेडी 9:28.
गणेश जी, ये कलयुग एडवाइजर्स क्या है?
Oh, it's still, oh my God, I didn't change the name. नहीं, this is our consulting company. Digital transformation consulting करते हैं.
Okay.
उनका ही Zoom account है, so I have to keep changing it when I log in.
Okay.
Every time.
And every time we start with that.
Different.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि उमेश भाई ऑलरेडी ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड है. अगर आप ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे
उसको डिजिटली ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है तो फिर he has to go to Ganesh. वो ट्रांसफॉर्म फिजिकली है.
ये रुचिन गुप्ता का
रुचिन भाई
या वो फोटोग्राफ लगाया हुआ है.
रुचिन भाई,
इससे पहले तो साइड था रुचिन का, मस्त था.
यू आर को-होस्ट. अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को.
Yes.
You are co-host and I will request you to share the PPT.
Ruchin, I am ready, Mishra ji. Whenever you want me.
Yeah. I will.
Ruchin, your site was better background.
Okay, sir. I thought it's the board meeting, so have a formal background.
No, we don't want to be bored. See.
क्या instant है?
So Sanjay ji, if you haven't visited, आइए ना किसी दिन, like come over if you are stepping out, so come over.
Yeah, I'll do that. मैं संदीप को लेकर आ जाऊंगा.
Yes, anytime.
डिपेंड करता है व्हाट इज द मेन्यू.
हाँ मेन्यू बोलो तो हम भी आते हैं यार.
He's talking of the venue, not the menu.
You need menu with the venue.
Menu and venue both will be good.
तो कुछ ना कुछ तो सोचना पड़ेगा ना.
ये क्या आवाज है?
इसने मेन्यू उठा दिया तेरा.
ये की आवाज लग रही है मेरे को.
वही कुछ आवाज आ रही है, वही कुछ.
वही बोल रहा हूं, रोहित आने वाला अच्छा लगा.
I am going to start the
नहीं आएगा. वो आज आराम कर रहा है, उसको अलाउड नहीं है.
Friends, with your permission, I am going to start the meeting. It is already 8:30 and Ganesh ji has to leave at 9:15. He has very urgent meeting, I think. So please allow me to start the meeting. Meeting call to order. Please rise for national anthem. Jai Hind and very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
I am not muting you all. I will request you to mute yourself and unmute only when required to speak. And after that, once you complete speaking, you can mute yourself. I am taking on. Yeah. I have two announcement. One is about the installation. Installation is scheduled on 22nd, that is the Sunday, 22nd, 6 p.m. onward, and it is in Hotel Radisson. So please block your date and time. That is both physical and virtual. Now I will request Ruchinji to please share the screen.
22nd November.
22nd November, yes.
Radisson Kharadi.
Yeah, Radisson Kharadi. 6 to 7 is fellowship, and 7 to 9 is program, and 9 onward is cocktail, mocktail, and dinner.
Colonel sir,
yeah.
Neeru is calling.
Neeru is.
Please, 1954. हाँ.
I have sent the link to her personally.
का अलग है.
Rushin bhai, please share the screen. Rushin bhai, please share the screen.
I'm trying to. I don't know why it's not sharing the PowerPoint.
Sanjay bhai.
हाँ जी.
Can you share the screen?
एक मिनट रुचिन को ट्राई करने दो ना।
हाँ ठीक है,
आ गया
ओके,
आ गया ना?
हाँ
Okay.
आ गया
अभी स्लाइड पे डाल दे।
हाँ यस
परफेक्ट।
सो सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सब लोगों का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा, खास तौर से बोर्ड मेंबर्स का, और आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि I have the vibrant board members, and I am getting proactive support, and God is great, and I am trying to give my best, and I am expecting all of you to please give your best so that the flag of Riverside always keeps flying high. Going on, next slide please. This is the program flow. Summary of events program of first quarter. I will be presenting that. That was to be presented by Prerna, but Prerna is not there, so I will be doing that thing. Roadmap for the year ahead, I will be doing. Club recognition summary will be done by Sanjay ji. Agenda points will be discussed. BOD suggestions, feedback, we will be having discussions, and vote of thanks will be done by Ruchin ji, immediate past president. So next slide, please. You all know this is the board of directors 2021, so I need not to read out. The slide is with you, but I am showing the picture also, so that next slide please. This is the BOD and advisors for the year 2021. All the smiling faces, all good faces, vibrant, dynamic. This is next yeah. See, ultimately we are in the close of October, so smooth selling throughout July, August, September, and I have added October also for that. So I will be going through quarterly statistics. We have weekly club meeting. This statistics is only up to September, which I am talking about. We have not added the October. So we have weekly club meeting 13, events 3, club assembly 2, BOD 1, joint BOD 1. We have done 20 good projects and 3 lovely fellowships. Next, please. These are the details of the meetings you already know up to September. Next slide. These are the pictures and the creatives of July. Next. This is the August calendar and posters and the fellowship poster, which you have already seen. This is September. Yeah, September. September has been quite big, and we have started Sanjeevani also in that, so that is also there. Next. This is October, which is there are 2 events which is left. One is we have very great speaker that is on 28. That is Sri Anand Kumar Takwale. He is passport officer and he speaks very well. He has come to our physical club meeting, and he has also come in Sanjeevani, and his rating is 98% 5-star by participants. 258, 282 participants participated, and the topic is socio-economic communal harmony in our society. That is on 28. And another good event which is going to happen is the 4th fellowship, that is on 30th Friday, 6:30 onwards. That is for 90 minutes. Jhelum is hosting this time. Deepak Bhai as director fellowship and Prerna as a secretary is supporting to Jhelum. So next slide, please. Doctors' Day celebration was done on 1st July. Amount which was expended was 20,000. Next slide, please. These are the details of the name of the doctors. Next slide. This is the pictures. We have recognized 121 doctors, but pictures are only 97 something. So all pictures are not there. These are the pictures our esteemed members, personally visited during COVID and handed over the citation of honor. I am very grateful to them and thank to all. lovely gesture on their part, and the doctors were very happy to receive it. Next. Then we had Kargil Day celebration, that was on 26 July 2020, and amount expended was 4,134, and we had very good speaker, and he spoke very well on that, General Sekatkar. These are some pictures of General Sekatkar, and General Sekatkar is very wide experience, and he is double PhD. He is doing third PhD, in fact, now. So thankful to Deepak ji and Sanjay ji. They were there in his house at Koregaon Park and presented the memento and the memento, and there was something else for them. Next. Teachers Day celebration, you all know, that was on 5th September 2020. Amount expended was 23,500. 18,000 was around the physical copy of the citation of honor, and some mementos and flowers and all that. Next. Dedication of universal citation of honor to every teacher on the in the world. That was the theme. But we 450 teachers were honored and by handing over physical citation as a token of appreciation and acknowledgement. So thank you very much to I'm very grateful, and in fact please accept my heartfelt greetings and gratitude to all the members. All participated, and it went up very well. Thank you very much. Next. These are the name of the teachers. Next. Yes, next. These are the few pictures, and I am personally grateful to Umesh Jalan. In fact, he added 4 schools from Calcutta, and 3 schools our interactive school, 2 schools, one St. Helena's and St. Miraj. And I am very grateful to Ganesh ji. He added some more celebrities, and that went up very well. So thank you very much. Next. Next. Now this is the Riverside projects. Without projects, Rotary has no meaning, and we had a lot of projects. So to do this honor, I invite Rotarian Sanjay Merchant. So over to Sanjay ji.
Yeah, thank you, Colonel sir. We these projects were most of them for the COVID thing, and we gave to the mentals thing over here, as well as to the what do you call, the airport CISF and all. Happy Hands distribution, we distributed gloves and all by 12,500 worth. Face masks we distributed, which are worth 48,750. Nitride gloves, another 22,000. Pulse oximeters we gave for 12,500. Sanitizers we distributed were around 10,500. Then there was a water harvesting project by Kohler, which we inaugurated and done. Ruchin, if you can put the, okay, let it be, yeah. That was 24,60,000. And the image building project, club branding was done. We have put up 3 hoardings, 5,000 each we have put for the hoardings, and they can be prominently viewed, which Kiran had, talked to the district, and we had done that. Then the smart TV distribution, Vikram had done at Mahir. We bought the TVs and gave them, so that along with the internet connection and all, we have given the full smart TV. And then digital Guru Mantra, Umesh had done the full this thing, which went off very well. In fact, we received a certificate also for that from the district. Yeah, this is the certificate. Digital Guru Mantra. Yeah, Colonel sir.
Next slide, please. It is your slide, your slide, Sanjay bhai.
Yeah. These are all the photos on the right. If you see the Armstrong, who had given us the TVs and all, which during the golf course we had done the full this thing. And this is the place where Deepak had physically gone and giving the sanitizers and the what do you call, the gloves and everything.
Down below pictures are relating to Kohler.
Yeah, and this is the picture where Umesh is Pujan. Rohit and Umesh had gone over there.
Ruchin also was there.
Ruchin was there, yeah.
Next slide, please. Yeah.
This is This is a project which Rohit had got, which Colonel Saab had put up, that we are doing a global grant, and Rohit had got this full project worth $30,000, and our contribution to that would only be $100, right, Colonel Saab?
Yeah, very right. Thank you. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is
project. This was done with the synergy project, that is with the district we had done, where the face mask distribution, what we have already put before, that is 48,750. Happy Family kit distribution was for 9,000. Fruit bearing tree plantation, we got it done, which was for 6,000. Roof sheets for the cyclone affected Raigad region was 3,500 per club, which was given, and then together it was done. And the donation of the beds at COVID centers was for 4,500.
Next slide. This is, fellowship is considered as soul of the Rotary, and without the fellowship, nothing moves. We had been very lucky. We had 3 good online fellowship. This month also we are having online fellowship, but from next month onward, as I shared with you, we are going to have mostly physical form fellowship, sometime online also. So for doing this honor, I would like to invite Rotarian Deepak Gupta, Director Fellowship. So over to Deepak ji.
Friends, we have had 3 fellowships already, which most of us have attended. Our next fellowship is on 30th. This is being done by Jhelum. And 22nd November will be our first physical meeting and installation. That's all.
Next slide, please. Again, Deepak ji, this is your slide. Yeah, next slide. Yes. So club membership growth is real challenge. To present the status of growth of membership, I will invite Lieutenant Anuradha Munge, Director Interact Club Membership and RCC. Over to Anuradha.
Thank you, Colonel sir. I'm very happy to say that we did extremely well when we started at the beginning of the year, and from 27, 28, we have risen to 33 numbers. But I feel the tempo has slowed down and we need to back up our belts again. And I request each one of you to add the members. Now we know what the quality of the speakers we get. We are also having the online fellowships, and now we will be also having the physical fellowship and the installation. So let us work very, very hard within this month. Let us work very hard this month to make sure that before installation, we add some members so they can remain present for the installation and can hear us out what we did in last 20 years time and what we are going to do in next 10 years time. Thank you. Over to Colonel Saab.
Thank you, Anuradha ji. Thank you very much. Next slide, Urchin bhai. So this is the roadmap for year ahead. I am very happy and very glad to share with you. Whole year has been planned quite meticulously. And you all know that 1 month in advance, we are sharing with you in the form of calendar, complete Power Pack program every month. So we will be sharing for November on the first day of November. Same way, whole year's program is finalized, and we are lucky to have Sanjay ji, Prerna, Vinay and Kiran to support me very closely, and it is my pleasure to share with you that we meet every Saturday on Zoom and decide what to be done, what has been done in past. We review it and what is to be done in future, and we also plan everything meticulously. Even each minutest detail we plan for the upcoming meeting, upcoming things. So thank you very much, Sanjay bhai. Prerna is not there. Prerna, Kiran, and Vinay. In fact, Vinay lost her mother, so he is not there. Prerna lost her, relation, as I told, Sangram's aunt, so she is not there. But from core of my heart, I have a lot of appreciation for them. They are giving a lot of quality time. Thank you very much. Next slide, please. So this is about the project categories. We have 5 categories this year. One is service project, which I am very grateful to Niruji. She is handling and handling, like warrior, everything. I no word to have appreciation for her. Yearly projects, we do some yearly projects, which is once in a year. Then special projects that is being handled by President-elect Rakeshji. Global grant projects that is being handled by Aditya Mishra. He will be speaking on that. Then dream project, Sanjeevani Riverside, which is very close to our heart, and we are heading very, very nicely. And for that, the concept will be shared by Rotarian Sanjay Merchant. So not taking much time. Next slide, please. I would like to invite Rotarian Neeru Goyal for service projects. Over to Neeruji.
Yes, thank you, Colonel Mishra. All the projects I am handling or the club is handling, they are of ongoing projects. I mean, like they go from one year to next year. So we are doing very well on all the fronts, like Happy School. Because of COVID and children were not coming, nobody was at the school. Nothing was done in these 6 months. But now I have started going to the schools, I mean, in a way that I am sending contractors and they are giving me all the details on Zoom. And we will be starting this Happy School project very soon, very soon. And you have got one slide. Can you show
next slide, please? Richard Bhai, next slide. Next slide. Next slide, Richard Bhai. Yes, this slide. Back, yeah, this slide, yes. Back side, back. Richard Bhai, back. Back one, next, previous one. Yes,
yeah, this is the slide of our Happy School, and it shows the green one, 10 schools we have already finished. In fact, the yellow schools are all finished, and they are waiting for the inauguration, and we are waiting for the inauguration as well. And the white one, yes, these schools, I have these schools, somebody else has taken this project. So we have to search for another schools. 2 schools have, they don't want our help. So we will be searching for other schools. Now, Ladli project, as everybody knows, COVID time also, we did good and we distributed 60,000 sanitary napkins to 60,000 people in Jopatpatti instead of schools. Otherwise, our this thing goes in schools. And Care for Air, now is the time. October we had to start. Now we will see how to go about with the consultation of the board. I mean, they will suggest how to go about it. And Rakesh Relan is involved in that. So he is the next president also. So we will take his guideline. And now Sanjeevani, I mean, other projects are going very well and club is doing well.
Thank you, Neeraj. Next slide, please. Yearly project for briefing. I will invite Rotarian Sanjay Merchant. Over to Sanjay ji.
Yeah, I'm not sure whether we'll be able to do the National Builders Award. Obviously, we will do, but the NDA visit, the industrial visit, as well as the Cricket Museum visit. First, let the school start. Then we will talk about it and go about what has to be done and what not. But we have kept it on abeyance.
Thank you, Sanjay Bhai. Special project, as I mentioned, it is Director, Education, Skill Development and Special Projects, and President-elect Rotarian Rakesh Relanji. Over to Rakesh ji.
Yeah, hi everybody. See, we have already done this on a legal aspect. The things are quite ready, and that girl.
Hardas,
Janvi Hardas. She has prepared a beautiful presentation which will be taken up. Apart from this, we also have on financial literacy, the things are ready. Now I'm waiting for time slot from board that when we can present it. Not only that, even COVID-19 also. In fact, all these projects are waiting in the wings. just waiting for the time slot so that they can fly and give their colors to everybody and see that how we can proceed. So I'll request all the board members to please look at it and allocate us the slots so that we can go ahead on this.
Thank you, Rakesh bhai. Thank you very much. Next slide, please.
Colonel Mishra, can I interrupt for a minute because I have to?
Yeah.
No, because I'm a little disappointed that because I had talked to Aspen Institute in Washington, DC, and they're doing multiple projects in Pune and Jharkhand. And I had actually 1 month back sent a proposal to do a project. This project is not even mentioned here. And then I keep getting calls from your colleagues saying that, oh, we will do a call next week and we will, Colonel Mishra and Mr. Jalan want to discuss it. I keep giving time slots and nothing happens. So if you're not interested, we should say so.
No, we are.
No, let me finish, Colonel Mishra.
Yeah.
Because I get very embarrassed with international agencies when the Rotary Club shows no interest whatsoever.
No. In fact, Ganesh,
it's not even here in the special project.
No. I'm sorry. It means it should have been here. I will take it personally and I'll ensure that this happens.
Okay, thank you.
In fact, I would like to share with you, we have already scheduled, but due to some reasons, it could not happen. Meetings will be happening maybe in coming week. So, in fact, we have decided and we will be having meeting with you and some others, core committee.
I know. So, I've given 2 dates. I've got the Pune director.
Third date will
she cancels it.
Third date we will be taking you and it will not be cancelled. Rest assured. Sorry, you are making very valid point. We'll make sure that it happens. Okay. So next slide, please. Yeah, this is regarding global grant and fundraising. So over to Aditya. Aditya is not there. So Sanjay ji, can you just brief, just mention these projects? Are we yeah, please go ahead.
You can go ahead, Colonel Sir. You can go ahead.
In fact, this has already been discussed last time. This time we were looking forward that Aditya is there, Vikram is there. So this is also one of the agenda that we need to close some of the global grants which have completed and they have no money in their account. So the number 8 is already going. It's Neeru has already briefed. Most of the first one, second one, third one, all those, most of the global grant projects have been completed and namesake they are there. So let's discuss maybe.
Colonel Mishra, here I want to say something.
Yeah, please.
That the district is following with us continuously for the last 6 months or 1 year. We have to keep reporting of all these. I mean, I have given my reporting, but nobody is, Vikram is not picking up the phone now, and that's why they call me. So please do something about other projects because they need the reporting very urgently.
Yeah, reporting is one thing, Neeruji, thanks highlighting that. Apart from reporting, closing is also very important because unless we close...
Reporting is that only, Colonel Mishra, what has to be done, that should be done.
Okay. So thank you very much. So not
Mishra ji, you have a very valid point that
I'm coming to you. Umesh, I'm coming to you.
No, on this global grant, I am talking about.
Okay, please.
That some of the global grants which we have already spent the money, we need to have a closure, and we have a problem. Financial reporting has been done, but the narrative part of the closure is pending. That is why we are not able to close it. So that has got to be done. That is long pending, and we should not postpone it.
No, see, when I spoke to Vikram, he said it will be done by Umesh. I spoke to Vikram and he said that this narrative part is to be done by Umesh ji. What is your take on that? Hello? Umesh ji?
The problem is that
he's just come back. Colonel sir has come back.
Neeru ji.
Hanji.
The point has been well taken. Point have been well taken, and we will take care of. And we will.
Next slide,
we will
please.
have word with the Vikram and Aditya, because Aditya is director. We will take care of. Okay.
And I had called Mukesh also.
Okay.
Please do something, because most of the things are concerning Mukesh.
Okay. Anyway, point well taken. Now Ganeshji has to Ganeshji has to move at 9:15. So as a director, Youth and Corporate Connect, I would like to request Ganeshji to speak something on that. So over to Ganeshji.
No, corporate I have not done at all. The youth project is what I just mentioned.
Yeah.
If that youth, and you also said the interact clubs we don't do in Riverside. So I think and I mean, so we need to do a significant project, which can, because the way we do any global opportunity youth network project of Aspen is exactly that. You know, we get this community youth mobilized. They take on projects. They take on things like, you know, healthcare, livelihood, etc. So that's how the project works.
Yeah,
so if that is not happening, I have to think of something else. I don't want to do small projects.
No, that will happen. That will happen. In fact, we have taken it seriously. So that will happen. And second is about the youth, interact schools. So we in fact now schools are opened 9 to 12. So we will be going for installation also. I am aligning with all the 3 schools, and Anuradha ji is there. Anuradha ji, please talk to management. We will go for their physical. We can do physical installation. That time has come, because.
But Colonel Saab, I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, maybe I'm the wrong person for this club, but I don't want to do events for the sake of doing events. I mean, there has to be a societal benefit to it, and that is my life currently.
No, that will.
What I do is a large project. वहाँ जाके 1, 2, 3 install करके and photo लगाना is not my idea of social work.
No,
we have to align a big project. We have to align youth in the area that Riverside adopts, and then I can easily get corporates to come in this thing. We have to make a proper plan and make it happen.
No, Ganeshji, there are 2 parts. One part you have spoken about the youth, Youth Connect. That we will be doing in big way. But this installation is part of the Rotary. Rotary. We have interact school, and that has to be done. That is mandatory to be done. That has nothing to do with the project. That is apart from the project. So you mentioned, in fact, if you remember, some of the schools have already gone for installation during COVID on virtual mode, but we were waiting that it should be on physical mode. So the time has come. We can go, decide, and it can be done in November sometime. Okay.
Yeah, until COVID is over, I would not suggest we do physical stuff. I mean, it is. I mean, there is
I subscribe to that.
Controversy already about schools opening, etc. We don't want to 4 of us show up and add more problems to the school.
Okay, we will postpone it. No problem.
It doesn't make sense.
Okay. So thank you very much, Ganeshji, for your valuable words, and we'll keep in touch, and we will have meeting very soon.
So you let me know. I'm quite.
Colonel Mishra, we Ganesh, we don't know about this program. Can you highlight?
I have said it enough times, Niruji. I'm sorry, I don't.
Niruji, that is different. He is talking about different program. So we will be having the meeting with him.
But in the board meeting, can we know about this program?
I will tell you exactly. Okay, let me give you a long story. Aspen Institute, Washington, D.C., the world's biggest philanthropic agency. They have appointed us to do work in Pune. They have appointed the government of Jharkhand to do work in Jharkhand. So now they have a country director here who actually had put a proposal together saying if the Rotary Club wants, we can take up one full community. For instance, Pune has 15 administrative wards. We could take up maybe one part of one ward, which is part of the Riverside area. I mean, could be Yerwada, could be any other area. And they'll mobilize youth and get youth to participate in healthcare improvement projects or education improvement projects. I mean, they have a lot of other initiatives that they have planned, including youth entrepreneurship. So they said, if you want to do a pilot project, raise some money, and let us see how we can do it. So they are willing to put in some seed capital, but they said that, look, we need to raise about 3 lakhs, either from individuals or from corporates, which is a proposal that has been given by GOY and Pune to the Rotary Club.
So I can help out in creating the money?
Nothing like that. Niruji, if you do that, in fact, if you do that, That is the main bottleneck.
No, but कर्नल मिश्रा, अगर हम एक सीरियस मीटिंग करेंगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी ना, तो हम, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, ये तो पहली बार मैं सुन रही हूँ कि क्या है।
नीरू जी, वो ऐसा नहीं है, आप पहली बार नहीं सुन रही हैं। गणेश जी ने बहुत डिटेल में इसको व्हाट्सएप पे भी डाला था शुरू में। So anyway,
समझ नहीं आता है कर्नल मिश्रा व्हाट्सएप पे।
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं।
Neeru ji, don't worry. Neeru ji, I will send you the plan separately, not to worry.
हाँ, अभी भेज दीजिए तो थोड़ा समझ आएगा।
नहीं, I'll tell them again, क्योंकि they were saying कि अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो बता दीजिए. So I will send it to you next week, then we can decide. Don't get me wrong, there's no compulsion to do it. It's just that if I spend time, I want to make sure it's a good project.
That will be done. Okay, thank you. So now this is time for, present the audited report up to June and talk about some compliances. So this is Sanjeevani project. Over to Sanjay Merchant.
Yeah, Colonel Saab, this is in fact a dream project which Colonel Mishra had taken it up, and it's a flagship project exclusively for teachers and students. In fact, most of you now know about it, so I'll just breeze through it. We want to empower them by bringing awareness, imparting knowledge. We have talks by eminent speakers. The target is to benefit 1,000 teachers and 15,000 students. You want me to talk about that this thing, Colonel Saab? Yeah, we'll skip it for now.
Which one?
The how we have planned actually.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Okay, so these are the keynote speakers. Baku was there. Then we had Anand Takavle also as one of the speakers. And in fact, Colonel Baku also spoke very well on the emotional wellness. And we have now decided that Rakesh ji was also here. Yeah, we have now decided that Janvi is going to put up, like Rakesh said in his this thing, that legal rights will be having a project for our Interact schools. 4 schools will be putting up. What we'll do is we'll put up 2 90-minute programs. Once done, we'll have a feedback on the Google form. And if people are happy with it, then what we will do is we'll go ahead with the next stage, which is that we will tell them to put up a full, we have a next stage will be that we'll put up all the schools together, and there'll be, like Bharat had suggested, that we'll have a person who will be guiding the students. So the schools, whoever, there's a tick mark in the box in the Google form, you want further information or not from the same speaker. If that is ticked, it will be separately segregated. Those students will go to that person, and out of that, then 2 students will be selected who will then go ahead lifelong, not lifelong, but up till the year end, so that they will be mentored by that person, and we'll be able to help them out, whatever it is. Yeah, Colonel sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now next, as I requested, Umesh Jalan, over to Umesh ji on compliance and presenting the audited account up to 30th June.
Yes.
Before. Back. This one. Back.
No.
Next. This one. Yeah.
Yeah. Say, I've been assigned the task of making the club 100% Paul Harris compliant. So last time in the previous years, we have taken 10,000 donation to the charity, and we have got lot of points available with us. And by say using those points, we can make the Paul Harris 100% club member. So for that, I'm new to get this process done. So whosoever in the club can extend the support or the process knowledge to me, share the process knowledge to me, I'd be happy to take this activity forward.
Yeah, Umesh, Deepak and me will help you out in that.
Okay. And the club has to approve, the board has to approve that what money we collect from the Paul Harris for the Paul Harris membership from the members.
Umesh, that part will be taken care of by that presentation part will be taken care of by Sanjay ji immediately after to you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Then APF contribution we are regularly contributing, so board has to decide on that. And other say I come to the accounts part. Accounts for the trust and the club has already been circulated to the board members. We need the approval of the board for the accounts. We are say completing the filing, IT filing of the accounts within time. The time is available to us is till 31st of October. With charity commissioner, we will be filing the accounts for this year. For past year, the accounts could not be filed, filing could not be completed, and it is stuck due to the technical reasons. We are sorting it out, the matter with the charity commissioner on that, and this can be done only after we regularize our change of trustees with the charity commissioner. Charity commissioners, the change of trustees has not been done for last so many years. So in absence of that, the last year's account cannot be filed. Now FCRA compliance has already been done up to date. There are some new regulations have come for FCRA compliances, etc. And we need to open by 31st of March an online account with SBI Delhi. This has become mandatory, and the FCRA collections, there is new rule wherein we cannot spend more than 20% of any collection towards admin expenses. Now this limit of 20% has been, earlier it was 50%, this limit, now it has been reduced to 20%. Regarding any other compliance, 1 minute. All TDS compliances are there in place, and for continuing our ATG donation.
Hare Krishna, kam kar do yaar.
For continuing our ATG benefit to the donors, etc., and carrying out the charitable activities without having any taxation liability, it is mandatory that we make a fresh registration with the income tax department, and that for that the time frame is till 31st of December. We have to do that irrespective of anything to carry out the objectives of the trust.
Thank you, Umesh ji. Thank you. And by next board meeting, we will be coming fully prepared after talking. So now over to, thank you, Umesh ji. Now for club recognition summary, in fact, we have downloaded the club recognition summary from the RI site. And this is related to making 100% Paul Harris Club Fellow. So for speaking on this and briefing, I would like to invite Sanjay ji. Over to Sanjay.
Yeah. Thank you, Colonel sir. So we have
next slide, please. Yeah.
Umesh was talking about. Most of the members are already PHF, as you can see. But some of them, like Ganesh ji, are you just still there? Ganesh is there or is left?
He might have left.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So if next slide.
These are the, no, this is the slide. These are the members who are Paul Harris Fellows.
Yeah, already. Yeah.
Yeah. Next slide. Yeah.
Now, these are the ones who need to be done. So in this, like Ganesh Natarajan has mentioned, and Milind, we have already received the money. So Milind's name will be removed from here because we have already received the money, and he'll the recognition
should also be there.
No, Sumana has already.
Sumana का हो गया.
बहुत पहले हो चुका है.
प्रांतोष बैनर्जी का आ गया है नाम.
Previous slide, please. Previous slide.
4 नंबर पे तो देखेगा प्रांतोष बैनर्जी है.
Third number. Prantosh
Third
Banerjee.
number.
Yeah.
Prantosh Banerjee.
Yeah. Next slide. Yeah.
So, but Anuradha, I don't understand how your name is there in this.
Yeah, even I don't understand. I was just thinking,
No.
I think I have been a Paul Salis fellow.
So do you have any certificate or anything, that medal or certificate which they give usually?
I'm not sure actually.
Because if that is there, then we have proof that you are already a Paul Harris fellow.
Yeah, next slide, please.
And Rakesh ji also, Rakesh ji, आपका भी अभी तक दिख
Bharat
रहा है.
name is here. I don't know if Bharat's name should be here.
See, I had received that badge, Paul Harris badge.
No, not the badge, the certificate.
I'll have to check. I don't think so. I have. No.
अगर है तो फिर दे दीजिए, तो वो सब.
Next slide, please. Next slide.
Personally talk to all these people and get it done.
By next slide. This is the Rotary International record. In this record, who is PHF and who is not PHF is already mentioned. What we will be doing, if you understand that you are Paul Harris fellows, you have some record, so please share with the us, Sanjay ji. So we will be taking with RI and we will get it done. Am I right, Sanjay bhai?
Yes,
Yeah.
that's what.
Yeah. Yeah, next slide. These are all details.
In fact, this we can share with Umesh, all these details, so he can understand it.
Recording of the
That
meeting.
will be helpful.
Yeah.
And I understand that some of the members have already paid for the Paul Harris certification, and their formalities could not be completed. So
That's
we
what
have
I'm
to
saying.
sort
Milind is
out
the
that.
only one. Milind is the only one whom will get it done.
Okay.
And one point need to be decided in board right now. In fact, when we got the Paul Harris Fellow, it was at the time of, I think, Deepak Bhai, and it was delivered in the time of Niruji. So it was decided that 10,000 rupees will be paid by the member, and rest amount will be managed from the points. We have sufficient points. So if that needs the approval of the board, so I proposed for approval. So please approve it.
Sanjay, Rakesh is already a Paul Harris.
That's what I'm saying. Rakesh is there, but his name is here. It's not meant. That's what I'm saying. उसमें आया नहीं है दीपक.
Certificate has been given to Rakesh ji and Preet both.
हाँ, but तो मेरे को proof चाहिए ना दीपक उनको.
तो उनके पास होगा, देख ले.
वही बोला.
Let me check.
Yeah.
वो आने के बाद हम वही reference डालेंगे, and we will take up with RI. That will be rectified.
दीपक, और एक चीज है, रश्मि भाई का नाम भी है, क्योंकि वो एक बार चले गए थे और वापस आए तो उनका नंबर अलग हो गया है, तो पुराने नंबर पे रश्मि भाई का रहेगा,
एक बार.
We will share this 6 slides all together to all the members in club Riverside group, and we will get their views, and we will request them to give their some authenticity, so that we can take up with the RI and we can rectify. Okay, so next slide, please. Next slide, quickly. These are the agenda items. In fact, first is closure of completed global grants, which I was talking about, and Niru has already spoken to the length. So neither Vikram is there, not Aditya is there, so we can't discuss. And anyway, we will take up separately with them. Then second is approval of RCPR bylaws. In fact, this bylaws was done during the time of Niru. We have done nothing. हमने कुछ नहीं किया. And this was prepared by Bharat, and Niru has taken that it was circulated on group, but but Rashmi Bhai has pointed out that this was not circulated. So we have already circulated, and I request you all to please approve it. That is already yesterday evening it has been done, and the requirement is that just confirm on that, not here. Just confirm on that. I am very grateful. Confirmation has come from so many, but still from some of it is required. So that comes, then it is automatically approved, and once it is approved, then I need to request Ruchinji, who is the Director IT, to upload on RI website and District 3131 website. So that is there. Then approval of RCPR Trust audited account, that which has been shared by Umeshji. So we take it as approved. Should we take it as approved from the board?
Yes.
Thank you.
please.
Thank you very much. So next slide, please.
Karna Saab, here
Yeah.
we need to get the approval of the club accounts also.
Mm-hmm.
Umesh,
I
the
have
club
already
accounts had been-
circulated. I have already
Umesh, the club accounts had
circulated.
already been approved in the joint board. If you remember, joint board में वो club accounts approval हो गया था.
No. Say what we are talking about financial year 1920 का filing के लिए approve हुआ है क्या?
हाँ.
Because that was not
किया था हमने.
finalized.
Anyway,
That was not finalized. That was the tentative account. This is the account which has to be filed with income tax. What we have discussed is the accounts what we have prepared for June 20 Rotary year.
Umesh ji, just to cut short, if you feel that has not been done, I request you to please post it on the Riverside board. And
I have already posted. What I
It's already
suggest we take that as approved, provided no observation comes on that.
no, till now no observation has come, so deemed to be approved.
Okay.
It is deemed to be approved. Please go ahead.
Okay.
And last point is, member suggestion. So open for member suggestion. Invite all the members one by one, and particularly Prakash Bhai has joined, so we would like to hear him first. Over to Prakash Bhai. Prakash is there?
No, he's not there.
He left. Okay.
Yeah.
So any member, please. I'm talking about just we have given you a complete presentation from A to Z. So if you have some suggestion for improvement, if you have some suggestion for future, if you have
Ruchin, can we just have the screen off so that everybody's face can be seen?
Okay. Yeah. That's great. Yes.
Oh, there are only 9 of us left. Colonel sir.
Okay, no problem. Nine is
Rest.
perfect. No, 9 is
Rest
perfect number.
everybody.
9 is
Rest
perfect.
everybody's left.
9 is perfect number. No, 9 is perfect number. आप जोड़ो, घटाओ, गुणा करो, कुछ करो, उसका जोड़ 9 ही आएगा. So 9 is perfect number.
Yes.
हाँ. No problem.
Mitra ji,
नवरात्रि चल रहा है. 9 का बहुत significance है.
जी. हाँ. रुचिन जी, yes.
regarding members, I think Raj Arora from Kolar has already attended the required number of meetings. Very familiar with all of the members of the club. I think
Rajesh,
now,
you're talking?
What's that? Rajesh, Rajesh Arora.
Yeah.
And now that we have started the Kolar project, we can ask him to become a member. Because
I had told Rohit about the same. In fact, Umesh and Rohit both.
Ruchin, I have already told him Arora to join. He said that he will take the confirmation from the company.
See,
he wants.
Umesh's company wanted a.
Umesh, sorry, I'm sorry, Ruchin ji. You can speak, then I will speak.
I believe that he is looking for sponsorship from the company.
No,
I've already spoken to him.
Where it was stopped, his company, we had to introduce like in a formal letter, Rotary Club to the company, basically. And he will take that letter from us. He will approach his company and ask that we are already doing a project with Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. If a company is willing to sponsor, he can become a member. Right? So we never issued that letter to him. And last year, the reason was that I wasn't sure when the project would kick off. Now that the project has kicked off, it is the perfect opportunity to provide him a welcome letter that he can take to his company and get the approval.
Here
you give him na, Ruchin. Why don't you give him the letter? It's not a.
Here I have I have to add one thing. Our bylaw says that a corporate can pay first year 1 lakh rupees and nominate 3 members, and remaining years he can pay only 75,000. So in that we can have 3 members. So you can talk to Umesh, you can talk to them, and we can issue the letter for payment of 1 lakh. They can nominate 3 members outright. And if that is not happening, then we can go for 1 member. We will be giving the letter for 1 member also. No problem.
Colonel Saab, they are not inclined to take the company membership, corporate membership. So if Mr. Arora joins as an individual member, he can take care of the interest of the coal air also, because they have joined us for the coal air project. And we can admit him as a member by taking our regular membership fees.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. That that's no issue.
Only the money will come from his company.
No problem, absolutely no problem.
His company will be sponsoring the membership.
Last time when we were there for the
golf
Bhumi Pujan, that time I think Rajesh was talking to Rohit that many of the members are being laid off. Even he is one of them. That's what he was telling to Rohit, and Rohit told this to me. So I don't know the scenario now. Whether he's still there with them or he has left them, we don't know. So first we'll have to check that.
Anyway, I think.
नहीं, what is this subject? दीपक जी नहीं समझ में आया.
कोई बात नहीं, मीटिंग के बाद मीटिंग.
उनको ले ऑफ कर रही बहुत लोगों को, उसमें राजेश का भी नाम था.
ओके ओके.
ऐसा राजेश ने रोहित को बोला था. अब
ओके
है या गया वो नहीं पता है. ये भूमि पूजन पे जब गए थे सातों स्कूल में, उस दिन की बात है ये.
करेक्ट, इट इज हिज apprehension, but he still said that I am taking up with the company, so if he is willing to take up with the company, we can issue the letter.
I'm just telling we should talk to him, and then whatever.
Anyway,
I forwarded you an email, and I have copied Sanjay, Umesh, and Deepak on that. That was the email that Rohit and I had drafted to be sent to the Kohler company and invite Rajesh to join, basically. So you can go through it. If minor modifications are needed, we can do that. And we can then approach Rajesh if he's interested to join.
Done. Ruchin bhai, done. I got that letter. You have already sent. I have seen that. Yeah. So thank you very much. Already we are on time. So any other suggestion? Or we should request our beloved brother Sandeep ji to crack a joke and close the meeting. Any other suggestion from anybody?
Joke.
Okay, so over to Sandeep ji to crack a good joke.
I wasn't thinking of a joke. I don't know what I can think of right now.
मेरे
को सजेशन करो तो मैं कुछ जोक वोक सोच लूं भाई. मौका तो दीजिए सोचने का.
जोक में सोचने का नहीं रहता है जी. संदीप ऐसे ही आ जाता है जोक.
अरे अब इतनी सीरियस बातें करोगे तो जोक कहाँ से याद आएगा यार आदमी को.
No. Before that, Colonel Mishra had asked me to offer the formal vote of thanks.
Yeah, that will be done after this.
After this. We have to thank Sandeep also, na?
संदीप जी सीरियस के ऊपर है कि सीरियस जोक सुना दीजिए.
अच्छा एक काम करते हैं. अभी अगर आप सोच नहीं पाए हो तो मैं रुचिन जी को बुलाता हूँ फॉर्मल वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए. उसके बाद आप बोल दीजिए. इतना टाइम दे सकते हैं आपको. So over to Ruchin bhai to extend formal vote of thanks in between.
So, since only 9 of us are left now, out of which I am one, so only 8 are there, I can very well take the names and extend personal thanks for joining the board meeting. So Colonel Mishra, the president, thank you so much for organizing the board meeting.
Thank you, Ruchin bhai.
President-elect Mr. Rakesh Relan, Sanjay ji, Deepak, Umesh, and Neeru, Anuradha, and Sandeep Fesh. It was a pleasure to have the board meeting and your inputs, and let's continue with the same spirit. So thank you all. Mishra ji, back to you.
Thank you, Ruchin bhai. Over to Sandeep bhai for cracking a joke. You got the time now.
नहीं मेरे को एक जोक याद आ रहा था. मुझे ये याद नहीं आ रहा. मैंने यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी बता दिया है कि नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं, रिपीट करिए आप.
वो ये था कि एक बड़ी सीरियस मीटिंग चल रही थी, जैसे आप लोगों की चल रही थी अभी. आई वाज जस्ट एन ऑब्जर्वर.
अपनी नहीं.
हाँ जी.
नहीं, उसने बोला ना आई एम ऑब्जर्वर.
He is advisor. Member advisory board.
संदीप वो जोक था क्या?
हाँ जी. तो इतने में एक जो आदमी पोडियम पे था, उसके पोडियम पे एक फोन जो था वो बोलने लगा. घंटी बजने लगी उसकी. तो उसने फोन उठाया और क्योंकि माइक्रोफोन ऑन था तो लोगों को कॉन्वर्सेशन भी सुनाई पड़ रहा था कि फोन पे क्या हो रहा है, तो सामने से आवाज आई कि हनी आई एम आउटसाइड एंड आई वाज लुकिंग एट दीज कपल ऑफ ड्रेसेस, और एक ड्रेस बहुत पसंद आई मेरे को। तो बोलता है कि ओके तो व्हाट अबाउट इट, कि ना आई वांटेड टू बाय इट, कि अच्छा कितने की है, कि ये $2000 की है। बोला ठीक है ले लो कोई बात नहीं। फिर लेकिन जब मैं वो ड्रेस देख रही थी तो एक मेरे को एक ज्वेलरी का सेट भी दिखाई पड़ गया और ये भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है। बोला अच्छा कितने का है, कि ये $15,000 का है। ठीक है चलो वो भी ले लो कोई बात नहीं। कि एक्चुअली मैंने फोन किसी और काम से किया था। जब मैं आ रही थी ना तो रास्ते में गाड़ी का शोरूम था और वो गाड़ी के शोरूम में एक गाड़ी थी, बहुत ही सुंदर गाड़ी, आप देखोगे ना तो यू विल जस्ट फॉल फॉर इट। उसने बोला कितने की है, बोलती सिर्फ $100,000 की है। तो बोलता है कि यार अच्छा एक काम करो, उससे थोड़ा नेगोशिएट करो और आस्क हिम टू गिव यू अ 10% डिस्काउंट एंड कवर द इंश्योरेंस एंड अदर इंसिडेंट्स फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years। और अगर वो मान जाए तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो सिंस यू लाइक इट सो मच एनीवे गो अहेड टेक इट। well thank you so much, I love you, this that everything। फोन बंद हो गया तो उस आदमी ने बोला भैया ये फोन किसका है, लेके जाओ यहाँ से।
Okay, thank you very much. Now before I adjourn the meeting, I would like to recap and announce once more. There are 3 things. One is 28 October, there is a very good speaker, Anand Shankar Takwale, so please block the date. Second is 30th October, Friday, 6:30 onward, there is club fellowship, that is online. And installation is, as I said, that is on Sunday, November 22nd, 6 onward, 6 onward. So please block your date and time. Thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy, and blessed. And I need your permission to end the meeting. Is that?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you everybody.
Thanks
Have a
for
great evening ahead.
once again for joining.
Great day
Thank you.
ahead.
Thank you.